Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save your Canva projects and designs in PDF format. So let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do is head over to Canva, you log into your account of course, and launch a new project. So let me go with that YouTube thumbnail here for the sake of this tutorial. So to save your design in PDF format, simply follow my instructions. Click on share here in the top right corner. After that, select download from that menu below. And here you will see your file type at the top. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon on the right hand side to expand this menu. And here from the drop down menu, simply either use or choose PDF standard, best for documents and emailing, or PDF print format, best for printing. So let me go with standard PDF file format. Left click on it, confirm by clicking on download here, and wait for the download process to be finished. And after a brief moment, you will see the downloaded file here so that you may open it via Acrobat Reader or any other PDF editor. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.